Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So how you can use your themes in your Windows, okay? Themes option, okay? How you can change your theme, and let's see how we can do that, okay? So first of all, search the settings on a start bar, or you can just click on setting icon, okay? So open the settings. Now you have opened the settings, you can see the personalize option, okay? Click on the personalize option. Now you click on personalize option, you can see there are many options, you can see the theme options, okay? So click on theme option. Here you can see the theme option, okay? So you can select any theme if you want to, just like I'll select this one, okay? When I select this one, you can see the theme is updated, okay? Okay, all right. Now I can show you something else, okay? Let's suppose I'll select this one. The theme is going to updated, okay? Now you can see something is changed. The entire settings colors are changed, okay? So setting colors are changed. So now you can see the something already have changed, okay? So this is the way you can change your themes. Also you can browse the theme, and when you browse you can see lots of free theme in Microsoft Store, okay? You can select and download and use those themes, okay? When you download from here, you can see those theme in here in this option, okay? Just like this theme, okay? Yeah, or like this theme, okay? So and you select from in here, okay? Okay. And there are some also settings, I'll show you in the next video. So that's it for today, I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you next video. Bye.